A big problem in the industry today is property managers are left faced with the resource allocation and time management to both manage and recruit in-house staff or their teams. With the current labour shortage, staffing challenges can be an issue, and this can be very time consumptive for property managers. We support in-house teams and in-house clients with those challenges. We take over the resource allocation of that. We take over it all in one with recruitment and integrate our own staff for your needs with our technology for no management and for us to fully manage it for our clients today.